The rot that's over above the beams, the carrying beams that are the floor joists for the narthex. This is up against the wall, which I'm showing from right here. And we're just holding it up by hand right now, but it's all rotted and I'm gonna let it down right now. Here, let go of it for a second. It's basically being held up by the electrical wires right there, which I'm not gonna let hold too much of the weight, but the electrical wires are right there holding it, and the rest of it is all rotten. If you can see, this is the top of it right there. This is the lower section right here, which is all dry rotted and barely together. So this whole frame unit right here needs to be redone. So I'm going to shut the video off or pause it, and then we're going to disassemble what's left of this so it doesn't pull the wires apart, and we're going to take it out. All right. So anyway, this is what's left of that frame. It's the end of it, all cracked and rotted, rusty nails. That's the other end over there on the other side that's all in shambles, barely holding on. Right now it's resting on the wires again. We're going to pull the rest of it out of here, and then we'll have to rebuild a new one to go in the place of it. So that's the plan. So top side, bottom side, you can see the wires running through the knob and tube right there.